Good afternoon. I am Vernon Darby, and the following is a Bulletin 31 issued by the Meteorological Service of Jamaica, October 25, 2025 at 1400 hours Eastern Standard Time. A hurricane warning remains in effect for Jamaica as Tropical Storm Melissa becomes a hurricane and is expected to rapidly intensify into a major hurricane. At 2 p.m., the center of Hurricane Melissa was located near latitude 16.6 degrees north, longitude 75.2 degrees west. This is about 179 kilometers southeast of Moran Point, or 230 kilometers southeast of Kingston, Jamaica. Hurricane Melissa is moving slowly toward the west-northwest near 2 kilometers per hour. A slow west-northwestward or westward motion is expected today through the end of the weekend. A turn to the north and northeast is forecast on Monday and Tuesday. Maximum sustained winds have increased to near 120 kilometers per hour with higher gusts. Rapid intensification is forecast to occur over the next couple days, and Melissa is forecast to become major hurricane by Sunday. Hurricane force winds extend outward up to 55 kilometers from the center, and tropical storm force winds extend outward up to 205 kilometers. Hurricane Melissa is expected to produce rainfall amounts reaching 350 to 650 millimeters, that is 15 to 25 inches, over parts of Jamaica in the next few days. Catastrophic flash floods and landslides are likely. As the hurricane moves closer to the island, expect tropical storm force winds to initially affect the island, mainly over eastern parishes by tonight, with hurricane conditions expected by Sunday or Monday. Life-threatening storm surge is becoming more likely along the south coast of Jamaica later in the weekend or early next week. Peak storm surge heights could reach 7 to 11 feet above ground level. Near and to the east of where the center of Melissa makes landfall. The storm surge will be accompanied by large and destructive waves. Small craft operators, including fishers on the quays and banks, are strongly advised to remain in safe harbor until all warning messages have been lifted and wind and sea conditions have returned to normal. The Meteorological Service continues to closely monitor the progress of Hurricane Melissa, and all interests are encouraged to pay special attention to further releases. The next bulletin on the system will be issued at 5 p.m. today. Note: hurricane warning means that the following dangerous effects of a hurricane are expected to affect Jamaica within 36 hours or less. Dangerously high water, or a combination of dangerously high water and exceptionally high waves. Even though winds expected may be less than hurricane force, average winds 119 kilometers per hour or higher. That was Bulletin 31 issued by the Meteorological Service. I am Vernon Darby. Good afternoon